Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset WhatsApp two-step verification without email. If you've two-step verification enabled WhatsApp and you're going to delete the WhatsApp app from your phone, in the future trying to install it back at the time, WhatsApp will show up with a message that this account is protected by two-step verification. Please enter your passcode to complete your registration. If you have forgotten it, there's no need to worry. You will get two options to recover using email, and the second way is contact support. Possibly, both ways are explained deeply. Look at this process to disable WhatsApp two-step verification remotely because there is no official way to do that, but the passcode can be removed. First, open WhatsApp, then select Agree. Now, tap on Forget PIN and tap on Contact Support. In the Please Describe Your Problem field, enter your issue in detail. If you have a picture, click on the plus icon and add an image as proof of issue. After this, tap on Next in the right top corner. Now, in the Do Any of This Help page, select the question and then select Send My Question to WhatsApp Support. On the next screen, review your queries and select the blue Send button. You will also send all the device details related to ownership you can send automatically to mail inbox. Scroll to see the details. That's the official way to recover the WhatsApp two-step verification lock on phone. WhatsApp verification team will review your request and contact you via email. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.